You have probably heard about intermittent fasting. Maybe you have even tried it. At first, the results feel amazing. A few kilos gone, clothes feel looser, energy picks up. But then suddenly, nothing. The weight stalls, the belly fat refuses to move. You extend your fasting window, eat even less, but it still doesn't work. If that sounds like you, don't blame yourself. The truth is, fasting alone isn't the magic trick. The real reason it stopped working is because you never triggered a hidden process inside your body called autophagy. And until that switch turns on, fasting will feel like punishment without results. Let me give you an example. Aijaz, a 50-year-old businessman, came to me frustrated. He said, "Coach, I have been fasting 16 hours every day. I lost some weight in the beginning, but now my belly fat is stuck. My energy is gone. I feel worse than before." And I hear this all the time. People push harder, longer fast, fewer meals, but nothing changes. Why? Because fasting isn't about the clock. It's about what's happening inside your body. When Aijaz joined my program, I didn't ask him to fast longer. We fixed his food quality, his timing, and his recovery so that his fasting actually triggered autophagy, your body's natural cleanup and repair mode. In just 12 weeks, he dropped 10.5 kilos, lost 2.5 inches from his waist, and said, "For the first time in years, I feel light and energetic throughout the day." That's the power of fasting done right. Now, why most people fail with intermittent fasting? They think fasting is just about skipping meals. They follow the 16:8 rule, but then they break their fast with chai and biscuits, or they binge on rice, sabzi, papad, or dessert at lunch, or they starve all day and then attack the fridge at night with sweets, namkeen, or ice cream. And then they wonder why fasting doesn't work. The truth is simple. Every time you eat sugary or refined foods, your insulin spikes. And when insulin is high, fat burning shuts down. So yes, you may be fasting, but if you break that fast with the wrong food, your body never flips into fat burning mode. It's like mopping the floor for 2 hours and then someone throws a bag of garbage right in the middle. That's exactly what you do when you fast, and then break it with the wrong food. Here is what most people don't know. Fasting only works when you reach autophagy. Autophagy means self-cleaning. Think of it as the janitor of your body. Every day, your body collects waste, damaged cells, broken proteins, toxins. If these pile up, your system gets clogged. When you fast properly, insulin drops, glycogen, the stored sugar, and your body finally flips from just burning calories to repairing. That's when amazing things happen. Old damaged cells get cleared, your metabolism resets, fat cells start releasing stored fat, inflammation goes down, and suddenly your energy and focus shoots up. Without autophagy, fasting is just hunger. With autophagy, fasting becomes one of the most powerful fat loss and healing tools we know. Now, here is where most people get it wrong. They think if I skip breakfast, I'm in autophagy. But the truth is, it usually takes 16 to 24 hours for autophagy to really kick in. And it depends on your metabolism, your past diets, and even how much sugar you have been eating. If you snack all day and eat a lot of sugar, it will take longer. If you already eat clean, it may happen sooner. So just blindly following a fasting window isn't enough. You need to structure your fasting and eating in a way that actually triggers this switch. Let me give you a few powerful hints you can use starting today. Number one, break your fast wisely. Don't open your eating window with chai or biscuits. That spikes insulin immediately. Instead, break it with protein and fiber like paneer bhurji with roti, a moong chilla with curd, or even oats with nuts and whey. Number two, delay your coffee or tea. Most Indians start their day with chai or coffee. But if you do this on an empty stomach, it spikes cortisol and blood sugar, which blocks fat burning. Better, start your day with water or lemon water. Have your coffee after your first meal. Number three, don't treat fasting like a license to binge. Your eating window isn't all you can eat. If you eat fried snacks, biryani, or mithai during your window, you'll undo your fasting benefits. Focus on dal, sabzi, roti, eggs, paneer, vegetables, and healthy fat. Number four, recovery matters. Autophagy works best when you are well rested. If you are sleeping only 5 to 6 hours, fasting will make you feel worse, not better. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Number 5, movement accelerates it. Even a 10-minute walk after meals can reduce blood sugar spikes by 30%. That keeps insulin lower, making fasting more effective. Now, these aren't hacks. They are small tweaks that decide whether fasting feels like torture or becomes a fat loss accelerator. Now, why this works? Fasting is not about how many meals you skip. It's about whether you can guide your body into autophagy. Most people never get there. That's why they struggle even when they are doing everything right. But once you activate this switch, your body naturally shifts from storing fat to burning fat. So if you have been trying intermittent fasting and still can't lose belly fat, don't give up. The problem isn't your willpower. The problem is you haven't triggered the real process inside your body. Once you learn to do that, fasting goes from being a punishment to feeling like freedom. That's exactly what I help busy professionals do inside my 12-week lean body program. We don't just tell you to skip meals. We show you how to structure fasting, food, and recovery in a way that flips autophagy, burns stubborn belly fat, and gives you energy like you had in your 20s. If you are ready to stop guessing and finally see the results, head to chimpanzee.com, watch my short video training, and apply today. Remember, fasting isn't about starvation. It's about unlocking the healing that's already inside you. I'll see you in the next video.